Hi guys, I am again with a new video, and I know that you are waiting for my video. And let's, I have, here I have. Yes, you are waiting for me to upload a video, and today I'm going to upload it. And I feel that you are all well and doing so good in your life, enjoying your life, right? There is a step. I know that there is obstacles comes in your mind, in your life, but how you tackle it, it is totally depends on you, right? So don't worry, life is very simple. Keep it simple. Don't make it so hustle in your life. Okay. So because so easy going, I believe that what is my experience says that. Okay. Whatever the means whatever the situations comes in your way, at how you tackle it, right? Tackle means the patience. The main thing is patience, right? Patience, because on every time you can't say that I am so much aggressive on any situation, so to handle that situation. But no, every time if you are not handle every situation with with a overpowered or aggressiveness. Okay, some situations you have to at you have to keep you calm and easy, right? So this is I think this is the gyan. I'm not saying this is the gyan, but this is things think uh, usually comes in your life, right? These are the things and how to tackle it, because I have faced so much situation. But if you are calm and think towards the solution of that, right? Not to think about that what are the problems comes and all. Most of the times people what they do, they talk about the problem but not the solution. Once you start thinking of the solution, you get that situation, you get that solution. It's my experience. Okay. Or even because and the discipline means discipline is if you're doing something, right? If you're doing something and and you're making something in your mind that I have to do that and that thing. If you are not disciplined, you can't get it. Means you start something, you gradually you see that the change, right? So keep it going. Whatever the obstacles comes, yes, there will be obstacles. There will be a situation you are not make it, but you have to don't give up at that point. If you give up, you never make it. You never reach to that point which you are thinking of, right? So always do keep it in a disciplined manner, right? So when you are you're doing like that, at some point of time you will see that you are strengthening, you are gaining more power, more what I can say, confidence in yourself. At that point of that, to reach that, you have to just step uh, one step, two step, three step, like you have to just keep it going, right? It never stop. Because you have seen that मुझे याद आ रहा है, I have remembering that the film dialogues that the show must go on, like that, right? Just I think life is like that. The show must go on, stop नहीं होना, right? Otherwise क्या हो जाएगा, in this materialistic world, you stay behind. If you want to live in a materialistic world, you should have to keep going, right? Nothing in this world, nothing to be gained it, right? कहते हैं ना सर, आप आयो खा लिया, जाओगे भी खा लिया, but it is true, but to to be on earth, you should have to be work, and you have your own mind, and there's a lots of knowledge are there in this world, right? Where you want to go, you should have to be make it your way yourself, right? Nobody nobody help is there is a moral supports are there is a like somebody worship the god and all, right? And so, like that, these are the parts of life, but you are you are in the center, right? So you have to work accordingly, right? So this is the way I am live, right? And my philosophy, and more many more are there, are doing like this their life, and they the same philosophy I have, right? And practice makes man perfect means is already right. If you are doing something and you are practicing that one, practicing daily, you will see the change, right? The आना ही आना है ना, that is definite कहते हैं ना, ये होना ही होना है. It is definite कि आप you gather something, right? If you if you uh, if you speak a one sentence many times, you will see that the you are perfect in that one, right? Your perfection is there. Like I would like to convey that if you first time do something, you hesitate, you are feeling nervous, right? When you are going for exam, you are going for any interview, what what is your feeling, right? There is a butterfly in your stomach, right, at that point. And situation that, can I answer all the questions like this, no? But you go because you know that what is important. You sit there on the seat of interviewee, and and as soon as the first questions throws to you, and afterwards you are starting speaking and gaining the confidence, and after first question you see your confidence, right? Yeah. So this situation is comes in everything, right? Everything. How much you are capable of, how much knowledge you have, how you have how much of money you have, nothing matters. This is this is always there, right? So so uh, so live life like a means like a path. You have to you have to clear that path daily. You are reaching some points, some destinations you're crossing, right? Like this. Don't make yourself means what I can say that make it so tough to yourself, make it so big, what I can say that resolution in your mind, right? Make it, but don't make it tougher means yourself. If you are not reaching somewhere, and you have so don't blame yourself like that, right? Okay, fine, I could not make it. Next time I will do it better. Next time I will do it better means compete with yourself. I believe who competes with their self, they will win the situation. They will win. Otherwise, if you compare with somebody else and all, because the two people are living in their own life, and the situation is so much different, right? Maybe who is not winning the game at the end, but its struggle is most, right? So don't compare it with others. Compare with yourself. What I did, what I did wrong, why I not not get it, not reach to that point which I am looking for, right? It is all up to you, right? This is my philosophy. I think you believe in this philosophy. and if anybody buddy have get something from this video, or to follow, please write to me. And I think this video will help most of you, those who are watching, and a beginners, intermediate, and they are lifing, they are ones who grow in their life. This is this is you should you can follow. This is my philosophy, right? So I think it's too much. The video is going so much long. I don't want to be bored that so much long. Okay, so okay, fine. I will be back with a new video, with a new concept, a new a new topic. Right? We can converse with each other like this. Always, I always said I am here for you. Thank you very much. Bye. I will be there in the next video.